Hello Android users. So if you want to change your backup Gmail ID, so what you will do is go to the WhatsApp and reach the settings area, scroll it down and tap on chats, right? Where you have option of chat history as well. Now you have to go on chat backup as you scroll, and here is an option of Google account in the middle area. You have to tap on it and see which Gmail IDs are present in your phone, and you can switch it up. Also, you can see there is written above that manage Google storage, right? So it means it will tell you directly how much storage is left in that Gmail ID. So I have switched it from the filled one to the emptier Gmail ID for my backup storage to be safe in that, right? Also, just tap backup and select a time interval to ensure that your chats are backed up to the new Gmail account, new Google account which you selected, right? That is how we do it. See you in the next video. Tada.